If you are new to XactScope and do not have it set up yet, check out the Getting Started with XactScope video before continuing with this one. In this video, you will learn the next steps in the water mitigation estimating process using XactScope. At this point, you have added objects to your sketch, created water mitigation zones, and added the floors, walls, and ceilings affected by water damage. The next step in this process is adding and placing air movers, air scrubbers, and dehumidifier to the affected areas. For the air mover, the drop-down menu will show the types of equipment included in Xactimate. Select the air mover, use the tab key to set the direction, and place it in the affected area. When the equipment is placed, the type is visible, helping you to see what you've placed. Be sure to add the number of days after you place your first item. You can find this option here under the Air Mover script card. Your choice will remain as the default. For dehumidifiers and air scrubbers, you will see the same drop-down menu with the types of equipment, and you will want to set the number of days before you place the next one. Once all your equipment is placed, you can begin to estimate the loss. All the equipment types and quantities are being added to the script as they are being placed. The equipment calculations can be seen in the equipment script cards. To start this process, it's recommended to select the room with the least amount of damage. This is done so that you can apply the answers to other rooms at a later point. You'll be working in the Actions tab, answering the questions in each script card. It is important that you start at the top and work your way down each card. As you make selections on one card, it can affect and bring up additional questions on subsequent script cards. A good example is how the water extraction from floor material question under the extraction/pumping card affects the flooring card once a selection is made. You will notice how the flooring card information is auto-generated to reflect the floor surface that was selected above. As you complete a script card, it's good to collapse it as you move down the Action tab. You can do this by selecting the arrow icon next to each card title. Be sure to answer all questions highlighted in red specific to the selection. From here, you can select additional areas and use the Actions tab to answer the questions in the provided script cards. A quick shortcut is to hold the Control key and expand the selection to similar rooms, then making the necessary modifications to those areas as needed. Once those are all answered, the Answer Questions box will turn green. Next to the Actions tab, you will see tabs for estimate settings and items. Here, you can update your user setting defaults and script defaults. XactScope uses IICRC S500 rules. If there are settings that do not match your company's requirements, you can make changes to these defaults. Changes that are made here will affect estimates that will be created in the future unless you select the Apply All Changes to Current Estimate. And that's how to get your water mitigation estimate started in XactScope. To learn more about XactScope, check out our training resources at xactware.com/training. Fill out the survey below to let us know if there's anything you'd like to learn more about. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Xpert tips each week.